How to install the fast charger board. This is the fast charger board, a device designed to improve headset charging. To install, remove the headset cable that is connected to the NUC. Connect it to one end of the fast charger board and reconnect it to the NUC. Make sure the safety cable can fully extend without affecting the headset cable. Be careful not to insert the safety cable the wrong way. This may affect operation and even cause damage to the simulator. In some cases, the headset cable may become short. If this happens, it may be pulled along with the safety cable, damaging the cable or the NUC. An alternative is to move the safety cable holder a little higher. Using a screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the holder. Reposition the holder and screw it back in. Doing this shortens the safety cable and keeps the headset cable in place. This way, you avoid damaging the headset cable if it is pulled in front of the simulator.